हर मोड़ से मंजिल तक की सवारी मिलेगी। पटरियों पर अब यादों की रेलगाड़ी दौड़ेगी। बादलों में अपनों के खुश चेहरे भी दिखेंगे। रास्तों पर अब मुस्कुराहटों के पुल भी होंगे। अपने जहां वहीं घर होगा। हर सफर यादगार होगा। कोई भी दिन, कोई भी पल उड़ चलों के साथ अब हर सफर हुआ सिंपल।
Leh to Manali cycling was something very different which I have never done before, and doing it for record purpose was just insane.
It's only 470 something kilometers, whatever that is. It's not that far, but the oxygen demand makes it so much more appealing in a weird way.
Members have like wide spectrum of age, and it is so interesting that everybody brings in a different flavor, a different kind of personality, and it's amazing how everyone works together like a well-oiled machine. And I would just say that Bharat has been really lucky to have us and put together a team which works toward a common goal, and that's how I find our team's capability to be really good.
ज़्यादा मज़ा इसलिए आ रहा है क्योंकि हमारे साथ जो क्रू मेंबर्स हैं, कुछ मराठी हैं, कुछ महाराष्ट्रियंस हैं, कोई बैंगलोर से है, हम पंजाब से हैं, मतलब पूरा इंडिया मिक्स्ड कल्चर, इतना मज़ा आ रहा है। तो कुछ वर्ड्स हम इनसे सीखते हैं तो बड़ा मज़ा आता है। मस्त, एकदम मस्त।
Mostly I am into the core team where we plan the event, strategize the event, and basically a lot of administrative work.
Well, I'm looking after all civil administrative works and working as a coordinator in a team. So my mainly job is to look after for the civil administration.
I think an important aspect about events like this that not a lot of people see is the immense amount of planning that is required. It takes like a multitude of people working with each other, collaborating over months, sometimes even years. And that is essential. Without all of this planning, you can't really do anything. It's not gonna happen without any planning.
We are going to go through 4 high altitude passes. No matter how much you acclimatize, that is definitely going to have an effect on the body of the entire crew and the rider as well. So that is an extra challenge that we are going to have to cater to. Yeah, I am excited also and nervous also, and everyone has to be, because it is a high altitude and there is a famous saying, don't be Gama in the land of Lama. So we need to be nervous so that we take caution in every activity.
मैं एक काम करती हूँ, उनको ब्रेड बटर जैम का एक पीस, ब्रेड बटर एग का एक पीस और ब्रेड बटर चीज का एक पीस, ये 3 चीजें.
My key role is to monitor the rider's physical and mental condition, to prevent injuries, to keep the rider moving. Actually, the high altitude is a huge challenge. In this event, I would say I'm more focused to preventing the altitude sickness.
Throughout the event, that is from inception to finish, nobody was as enthusiastic as my coach, Tracy McKay.
Inspirational. So what do you do in the face of this problem? How are we going to be? Are we just going to sit down and just be sad and mopey and worry, or are we just going to create our own events? And
I really have a dream of
I think,
going and meeting him in person. That's the biggest dream that I have dreamt of. His personality, I like his personality. I love the way he actually expresses himself in a very simple way.
His energy is contagious, and I don't think the team can do anything without him.
What? Are you crazy? Let's do it. It's kind of like all 3 of those at the same time. It's surreal and it's inspiring and it's exciting and it's a little scary, and it's all just jumbled up in one thing, and it's a great feeling. So, to do these events, you have to be a bit of a risk taker. And so when you're faced with something that has some risk to it, or that something that's a little abstract or surreal, it's very engaging, because you've done the normal stuff. You've done your Ironman.
Besides the 8 of us, the contributions of the team members working remotely have been instrumental in making the event a success.
Hi everyone. सबको पता ही है, we are off to Leh in a week's time, and we are already very dejected that you guys are not gonna come, and we hate you for that. But at the same time, doesn't mean that you don't have duties. Obviously, in fact, these are the duties that are going to be crucial and a bit difficult, because you're not on the field and not in touch with everyday happening, right? So it's going to be important yet difficult. So your role is also going to be extremely crucial.
Yeah, of course. It's just like I'm physically not there, but soul,
that's what we want.
my soul will be there with all of you. So yes, not just that. Besides, as everyone said, right, we're just a phone call away, and irrespective of that, I'll try and reach
I was very fortunate to have support from all over the world.
Best wishes, Bharat. Nail it.
Wish you all the best and stay healthy, Parapanu. Nothing but your best, Bharat.
Go, Bharat! Get it! Get it!
As in Urchulo, we have our vision to make life simpler for soldiers. When we get to know that one of the army officer is trying to achieve something, we also got involved, and that's where we funded this entire vision of his.
Besides the immense amount of planning, I think one very important factor here was the training involved. We have seen Bharat go out and put himself out there in the pain cave, as we cyclists call it, and that was quite something to watch. It was definitely painful. We also arrived a few weeks early to Ladakh so that Bharat could train and we could all acclimatize to the harsh environment. And needless to say, it was quite the scenic trip that we had here while Bharat trained on his bike. Yes. Dates दे दो.
टैक्सी गए कभी? कब गए? बहुत बार गए. कितना दूर है टैक्सी? 4 किलोमीटर. चलोगे अभी? चलोगे? चलो. बीटाडीन बाहर थी ना तेरे को? बाहर रख दिया मैं. बीटाडीन नीचे गई थी बाहर. अंदर डाल दो. अरे रखते नहीं थी. बीटाडीन प्लीज लेट हो जाएगी. अभी इतनी जगह सुखानपुर बात. अच्छा रुक नेक्स्ट 30 मिनट यहाँ से खोल. अरे बैग रखने के पहले रैक बांध देना चाहिए. लो अपने घर मेरे हम सफर. I'm a rider.
First hiccup was faced at the first pass only, जहाँ the temperature dipped very steep. It went till -12 or so, which we were not expecting initially. So our actions got affected because of that.
बाइक पकड़ो, बाइक पकड़ो, एकदम बाइक पकड़ो। आप लोग ने ऐसे नहीं कर सकते, मेरे को छोड़ के वहाँ पे 2 किलोमीटर और यहाँ पे आके खड़े हो गए हो। बाइक को
Tanglangla, there was my personal observation was there was a lot of panic induced with everyone. So everybody was very fidgety. Everybody, I don't know if that was the altitude or the beginning of the race or the excitement, nervousness, but everybody was in a state of panic. And the things that should take 5 minutes were taking 10 minutes, and the frustration was building up. It was cold. So multiple aspects, it was a culminative effect of multiple aspects coming together at that particular point of time. But Tanglangla was fun.
अरे अभी नहीं,
जब एक तांगलाला पास ये लगा कि क्या यार, क्या पंगे ले लिए, इससे बढ़िया आराम से घर जाते हैं, फ्लाइट बुक कराते, घर जाके रेस्ट कर रहे होते।
चलो चलो चलो।
Without crew, I don't think it can be even imagined to perform such a ride non-stop. So crew was there to take care of each and every aspect other than riding. They provided me with warm nutrition. Like whenever I needed something, it was there. I think it was much difficult for the crew to manage the things because when I was riding, at least I was getting warmed up due to the ride which I was doing. But the crew was sustaining those temperatures of -5 to -10 degrees.
So yeah, after 7 p.m. The temperature started dipping and it went till -12 degrees. And even though we knew that is gonna come, but we were not practically expecting those challenges.
At night, they were coming out of car, helping me out with massages, helping me out with the nutrition. They were checking on that my lights are functional during downslopes. We were using multiple lights so that the area is completely visible in front of me. So all these things were taken care. All my apparels were ready to, like, they were just provided to me at time. They were just ready. So like each and every aspect was just immaculate to complete the ride successfully.
Even the crew faced a lot of difficulties. We were not able to, do our duties per the standards. But those are the challenges. I mean, that was pretty much expected. But we were a little underprepared, I would say.
So we'll have to go ahead, get the resources, and turn back if you don't reach there by the time we get the resources. Is that okay?
What are the resources you're talking about except water?
Yeah. That is the main resource.
तो पानी का इतना नहीं है. We have We have 8 to 9 liters of hot water with us, so it's okay.
बॉटल से लेके आओ उनका बाइक
बाइक पकड़ ये रहा इधर बाइक पकड़ो वो अपना तू टूल लेके आ पानी गर्म है नॉर्मल
थोड़ा सा डालो उसमें थोड़ा सा
गाड़ी में बैठ गया
-12 पहुंच गए -12
-7 है
पता नहीं इनके वाले ने -12 दिखाया।
हाँ, हमारे गाड़ी में माइनस किया था तुमने फटा
तो यहाँ पे खड़ा है कब से वेट कर रहे हैं आप लोग।
अरे नहीं ऐसे नहीं हाथ से करो दो।
The most inspiring thing in the whole event is the rider. We are so much inspired from the rider that we also stayed awake. We didn't take any breaks, only with rider.
रोक ब्रेक नहीं लग रही है।
हाँ रोक रहे
अबे उल्टा कितना सही में ब्रेक नहीं लग रही, ताकत बिल्कुल गई। ये तो ब्रेक गई या मैं क्या? चलो मैं नहीं लग रही, मेरे से नहीं लग रही।
इस साइड के थोड़ा सा
पूरे रास्ते परेशान हो गए। चलो उतरने दे मेरे को।
Massage breaks were fine. I think everybody was in sync by the time the first massage break came in. So that was amazing. Like we were climbing a pass and we had to scout for a location to get a massage done. And considering we are ascending and the roads are so narrow and bad, we weren't able to find, and it was night time. So we weren't able to find any proper shoulder where we could provide protection against the wind because of the nature of the climb and the wind direction at that point of time. And fortunately we found a spot which was, so the car was parked halfway in the middle of the road, so if by any chance a truck came in, we were screwed. But we somehow tried and managed, so the mat was placed right on the edge of the cliff, and that is where the massage was being done. Like everybody is standing at the cliff section and nobody could see how deep the cliff is because it's night time.
I took about 2 physio breaks in which there were quick massages, just a massage to just pump up the blood, get the recirculation done and just ease out the muscle.
नहीं
when you reach Salchu, the kind of weather you get there and the entire route, the Ardis roads and all, I mean that's a biker's paradise also at the same time.
कितनी चलाई पता है, मैं वहाँ छोड़ के फिर वापस आया हूँ। अभी बहुत दूर है मेडिकल।
चल
कैसे लग रहा है आपको?
कुछ ज्यादा एक्सट्रीम नहीं हो गया? जहाँ पे रात में -12 डिग्री सेल्सियस हो मजाक में कुछ ज्यादा एक्सट्रीम हो गया।
एडवेंचर चाहिए था, लोग कर लिया।
एडवेंचर की डेफिनेशन चेंज हो गई है अभी।
चलो वी हैव सेट न्यू स्टैंडर्ड्स फॉर आवरसेल्व्स। अगली बार इससे खतरनाक करना है। चलो ग्रेड को एक, चलो सूर्य निकल गया आपका। सूर्यवंशी खीर मिलेगी।
There were many stretches where I was carrying my bike on my shoulder and yes, I could have switched to another bike and ridden that distance, but just for those small stretches, I didn't think it viable that I will be changing my bike. I used to just pick up my bike and just walk through that stretch. So with the sunrise after Sarchur, we were climbing towards Barlachala. The climbing portion was smooth, but there was this traffic jam. The army convoy was moving out, and it was really tough for me to go through that place. So I came down, and crew came out to help me out in crossing that stretch.
I believe personally I've also created a world record like driving for 30 to 35 hours continuously, and it was a slow driving record from Leh to Manali. I think I'll also approach Guinness for this.
रेडी है R4 रेडी है हम लोग R4 लेकर आ रहे हैं नीरज सर आगे ले लेना
संदीप सर ये अपना उपशी में जो चेक पोस्ट है सर उसमें वो अपना इनसे एंट्री भी करा लो और साइन भी करा लो प्लस गाड़ी का नंबर आउट करवा दो दोनों का गाड़ी का नंबर ओवर Actually, I love driving, and मेरा काम था basically I have to clear the routes for the rider, and media भी मेरे साथ था, so we have to cover everything.
See, this is the thing with every ultra. There is a point in the middle of the race, like let's say between the 60 and 80% period, where you know that oh you're halfway through, but you're not. You have another half to go, where you're like, "Arey yaar, ye kab ho raha hai?" Everybody, the fatigue starts kicking in and all of that. But then when you reach towards the end of it, everybody's super excited that it's getting over and everybody's happy. So yeah, I think that's in every event.
मैं नहीं बैठ लूँ मैंने बैटमैन रिटर्न सुपरमैन का बैटमैन कर दिया आपने सही जवाब इसका क्या मेरे को गन्ने का जूस लग रहा है पी लो
The final climb of the route at Rohtang was a weirdly exciting one. All the major challenges on the route were now done, and we just had this one final climb to go. And we knew that after this climb it was 50 kilometers downhill to Manali. We were all super excited and just trying to push Bharat to get this done as soon as possible.
there was a climb of 3 hours towards Rohtang Pass. We reached at Rohtang Pass at around 8. Just before 30 kilometers towards Manali, then the going was very easy, and I had one of the best rides I had done in my lifetime. I was cruising at about 35 to 40 kmph, and the crew was also having too much fun. The crew cars were racing behind, and they were just trying to match up with my speed, because on a bike I was able to navigate faster on the turns, and it was the crew cars were having really tough time in cruising at the same speed in which I was cruising. And the final stretch towards Manali was easy going.
In the last 30 kilometers, when the roads were good, Bharat just flew, and the crew had great time following him.
Congratulations, sir! You're done. Congratulations.
Yes, sir! Woo! Congratulations, sir! Well done, sir, well done. Okay, save कर दिया sir. गाड़ी 24. ये गाड़ी 25.
उस टाइम पे तो बताने मतलब इट इज नॉट एक्सप्लेनेबल, बिकॉज राइडर ने तो वो अपना वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड का अटेम्प्ट किया एंड ही कंप्लीटेड अ वेरी गुड टास्क विद अ वेरी गुड एनर्जी. बट हम लोगों को एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था कि हम लोग भी उतना कर सकते हैं. उतना एंड्योरेंस हमें था नहीं, बट हमें राइडर से इंस्पिरेशन मिला और हम लोग भी कर गए.
Yeah, at the end everything is worth it because experience only counts in life. और कुछ तो नहीं है, बाकी तो घर बैठ के सो भी सकते हैं, मगर मैं सोता तो ये वाला पेन वाला एक्सपीरियंस तो नहीं मिलता.
So Leh to Manali or Manali to Leh is a dream ride for anyone. We could do this in an extraordinary way, not on bike, not on car, but on cycle crewing. It is definitely going to be one hell of a memory. We had a lot of fun. We learned a lot of things.
By hook or by crook, इस टीम के साथ ही रह रहा है और इस टीम के साथ ही काम करना है. इतना मजा आया.
Now, the end result, they knocked it out of the ballpark. They did fantastic. There wasn't anything that cropped up that this team couldn't handle, and that's obvious as reflected in their success, right? So that makes me feel good as a coach, as a parent, as a big brother, right? I love those guys. They're awesome. And if I do my job right, then they can be successful without me. They can be successful without me, and then I've done my job. And, you know, that's what we really want, right? I mean, we'd like to be there, but...
Once you are doing any event, you are addicted. Like, yeah, okay, kahin jana hai? हाँ, ठीक है. It's like, yeah, fine, okay. How about the leaves I have to manage? ठीक है, manage कर लेंगे. It's like that. Okay, ठीक है.
The high you get after doing something like this, it's just, I personally feel that this is something that I won't get from anything else. No matter what I do, you do drugs, you do anything else, this particular high is something else.